Hi, I'm Sophia and I'm a sewing tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to read a sewing pattern. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon for notification of future videos. So this is our pattern. The front will show you the style of the pattern and the pattern name or number. Now let's look at the back. So the back of the pattern will have body measurements written down. It's very important to measure yourself before every pattern, as every pattern differs slightly. Never go by your usual retail dress size. The first measurement to take will be the bust measurement, which is the largest part of your chest. Make sure your tape measure is parallel all the way around. Once you've got that measurement, write it down. Now we're going to measure your waist. This measurement is just under your rib cage. Again, make sure the tape measure is parallel all the way around and note this measurement down. The last measurement is your hips. This is the widest part of your thighs or hips. Again, make sure the tape measure is parallel all the way around. You should measure yourself and then circle your nearest size. You will probably be between two sizes. You will also see on the back the supplies list of all the things that you might need for this project and the different styles that are included in the pattern. When choosing fabric for your pattern, we can look at the back of our pattern to see what fabric suggestions there are, and this will help you choose exactly what the pattern requires. We can then look at the fabric requirements, and this will tell you how much fabric you will need for this pattern. It's important to not only look at the amount for your size, but also to determine how much fabric you need for the style of the pattern you're doing, because they will vary. My recommendation for beginners is to always choose a woven cotton fabric for your first project. It's not only easy to cut, but easy to sew as well. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next project, or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. We'd love to read your comments. And join us for more videos soon.